Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to delete Windows Defender protection history in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your this PC, then click on View, click on Show. In this, if hidden items unchecked, you should check hidden items. Then open C drive. Double click on program data, double click on Microsoft, then search here Windows Defender, double click on Windows Defender, double click on scans, double click on history, then double click on services. Here you delete all files and folder, select all file and folders, then click on delete. After deleting the all file and folder, close this window. Restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way, delete Windows Defender protection history in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.